Like a Hellcat.
If you look at your battery and battery cables, and if they look anything like this, with this type of corrosion on it, whether it be white, greenish, or bluish, they should be cleaned. The cables should be cleaned, plus the battery terminals. If you see rust also, this is a bad situation here. It's going to cause all types of electrical problems where the vehicle will start throwing lights, check engine lights, and things of that matter, and lights won't work, hard starting. And also, when you see this, also check the charging system after you clean it up. So if the battery is bad or the alternator is weak, replace it.
Like a Hellcat.